Yeah.
A bluegill.
Let me see. Oh, we got a bite. We got a bite. We got a bite. Here. Yeah, yeah.
Okay, let me
Hold it,
no, I
hold
just
it.
got a bite on here.
Oh, oh. Hold it, hold it, hold it, hold it.
We just lost a massive fish.
That thing bit it good.
Ah, don't hook me. Bro, these little spikes. Dad. Hey, Dad, throw one of those out. Take it down.
But we just lost a big fish.
I'm using a big fish. Bro, I just found that bluegill twin up. Dad, that's not the wind. There's no wind right now.
It's gonna go down. Nothing. Come on.
I fucked the fish.
I see the bobber right there. Push him in. They're telling me to push you in. Nah, that's messed up. Oh. Did you get him?
Nope.
There you go. There you go. Got him. Got him. Let me see. Show the people.
Oh my.
Tell them what you got.
A bluegill.
Let me check that out. Little bluegill.
It ripped his mouth up.
Put on. Let me see. Throw him back. Let me see. Move out the way a little bit so I can see the bobber. There it is. There it is.
Oh, no.
There it is.
That's the littlest bro, that's a bass. That's a bass.
Is that a
I
bass?
caught the biggest bass ever.
Is that a bass?
Bro, I caught the biggest bass ever. Bro, that's a bass. I caught the biggest bass ever.
Is that a bass?
Yeah, it is. Bro,
Let me see.
that's a bass.
It really is, right?
Yeah.
All right, here. What you got?
Another bluegill.
There you go.
I think they ran from the bait.
Let me see.
What was that? We are live.
What's up, guys?
I think he ate that. He ate that. He ate that.
You eat that?
Bring him in.
I caught another bass. That's a bass. Bro, that's the same bass. Wait, no. It was
Oh, that is a bass, right?
yeah. It's orange. It was supposed to be orange if that was the same one.
All right, here, let me get him.
Dun, dun. This one hasn't got a bite. Do it.
Here. Oh, he said to push you in and they'll subscribe.
Push me in.
Nah, it ain't worth it, bro. You gonna drown.
Nah, bro, it's so shallow right here. I can literally touch the ground.
All right, he said he'll jump in. He'll jump in if y'all subscribe. But y'all gotta subscribe first.
Bro, why? One.
There it is. He missed it.
What happened?
He missed it. There you go. There you go.
Bro, is that the same one I caught the first time? My lucky worm is gone.
Yeah, he ate it.
He ate it. He ate my lucky worm. Hey, Dad, I think you're gonna need your phone. Go charge it.
There he goes. He's loose.
Bro, why do I have? No one of those down.
Bro, I can't even see your bobber. Oh, I see it. Is he on there?
Bro,
Dang.
bass. That's a bass. Oh, that bass kind of.
Is it a bass?
Yeah, that's a bass.
Let me see. Bring it.
I know my fish like that.
Oh, that it. Man, they look different, no?
Nah, it's because they're little. Nah, that looks like a bass.
Is it?
That's a bass. That's a bass. Let me take the phone from them.
Oh, that is a bass. That's a largemouth bass.
A largemouth bass.
Let me see.
I think I need a new worm. Or did he take it?
No, it's still here. Look.
Bro, that's the lucky worm.
You scoot him back up. Throw him back up.
Push him.
Take it out. Right there. There he goes. You got him? Good job. Bro, they're jumping.
Is that a bluegill?
Yeah.
That kind of does look like a bass, but
Nah, that's a
it's
bluegill.
a bluegill.
Now hold it. Those other one are bass. Come on, catch some fish so they can see some.
Alright.
Oh, dang, okay.
That's a bass.
Let me see.
That's a bass.
Bro,
That's a bass.
that was fast.
That's a bass. That's a good sized bass.
It's a little tiny here. Oh. Get him. Grab him. You still got a worm?
Huh? Yeah. No, I still have
Julissa said get that fish.
Alright.
Oh, there he goes.
Got it. I got the fish you wanted to get.
Let me see.
Deal.
Sheesh. There it is. Here, hold it. Here. I'll put a big worm on it. See if we catch a big fish.
Dad, you should put it on one of those. Bro, you know what? We got the bait here, Dad.
Oh, we do.
You want me to go get them?
No, that's fine. Let's just try this.
No, but we're gonna use all the worms.
How much worm you got left?
A little
We
bit.
still got a bunch.
I know, but that's good size bass.
What you get?
That's a bluegill.
That's a bluegill. Let me see. That's a beautiful fish.
It's a bass though. I was gonna go get the bait for catfish. So I don't want to use all the worms really quick. I'm gonna go get them. Bro. Oh no, oh no.
Check it out.
Check that out. Oh, look, 3 people are watching.
While you were gone.
Bro, did it just jump back up? Dad, it went in the water and went, yoo. No, you don't.
Yeah, I swear. Check it out. Told you.
Bro, that's a bass. That's a bass. That's a bass. That's a bass. That's a bass.
Sheesh. Let me see.
That's a bass. That's a bass. We caught a bass. Hey, Dad, I'm gonna go charge your phone over here. Bro, I wish there was a portable charger so we could charge it. But I think there is. Come on. Sunburn. Sunburn, 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 sunburn. Ah, what? Got anything? Did you change the bait?
This one, yeah. I put Kool-Aid bait.
Kool-Aid, okay. Got a porter.
Oh, got one. I think I got one.
It's probably just little.
Little one. It's a little one. Should you see? You on there?
Yeah.
You on there? What is he? What is he?
That's a bass.
Oh, we got bass.
I know we do. We got bass in our pond.
That's crazy, look.
Easy release. Easy release.
It is bass, right?
Yeah. Easy catch. It's not deep. Where are you casting it at? Dun, 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 dun.
Fishing for exotic fish. Never before seen fish hybrid. Monsters. Oh, I did get a mean bite.
We're trying to catch a
I saw it.
We're trying to catch a zebra. That's another bass.
But see, we didn't throw these in here. Look right there. You see, like he knows how to fish. He knows how to.
That's a pumpkin fish.
Oh yeah, pumpkin seed. These are pumpkin seeds.
You gotta show the camera.
Oh, let me show the camera.
Show the viewers. Where's it at? Where's the camera? Oh.
Bro, I feel like that's the one I caught, and it was the eye was red.
Show it to the camera. Show it to the camera.
Look at the
Show them
bass.
the monster you just caught.
I just caught the biggest bass ever. Look at that. Look at that fish.
Catch it, man.
Yeah, they will get a picture to it and they'll find it.
Bubba.
Bubba.
There's so many lines. You should have threw that line over there.
Bro,
Poor
I
baby
really
fish.
Didn't know. I really didn't know I
Bro.
caught this fish.
Go ahead, throw it back in for bait.
Yo,
Bro, that should be a record for the smallest fish caught.
that really should be.
Show the camera.
No.
Let me see. Look how small that is.
Let me
Show
show
it to
that
the camera.
What is that, a bass or what?
Oh my goodness,
Back
that's
up,
the
back up.
littlest tiny
Back
bass.
up a little bit. Your
up a
producer. The producer's
Back up.
telling you to back up. Closer. Farther.
Closer or farther?
Let me see my phone. Let me
All
take
right,
a picture
that's
here.
Bro, look at that. Look at that. Look at that.
That's mixed
Bro,
bass.
That looks like a bass, a blue.
Let me see it, show it again.
Catfish too. I'll be tripped out, bro. What are we creating in here? We start watching this.
Go away. Wait, hold on. Let me. Bro.
God, that's even more tiny. Fool, how you even hooking them?
You need to get in now.
Look.
I caught a world record.
Oh, he's so tiny.
No, this is the tiniest bass. Guys, I caught a monster bass. Look at that. Ow, I hooked myself. Look at that.
Okay, we're just gonna practice. We're not gonna try to practice.
Does that look good? Yeah. That looks good. Alright. Let me show the
Funny,
viewers
bro.
again.
The tiny little fish.
Look at that. This little tiny fish.
You got bait on there, babe? Let me see.
It was just at the very tip of the stick. You know, get pink eye
Got a
from the
catfish.
fish. I got it.
Let me see.
I caught the biggest bass ever.
Jeez, caught a monster.
Caught a monster.
Oh, damn, bro.
I'm trying to lip it again.
You gonna lip him?
Yeah, I'm gonna lip it. Zoom out. Hey, look at this. That's a big old bass right there.
Nah, Bubba, that's not even. Let me see.
What the
Bro,
heck?
that's too small.
That's even tinier.
Bro, how are you?
Now let me show the viewers.
Hey, bro, we're gonna have to keep that one.
Okay.
You really could. You really could.
Yeah, you can keep this and just feed it.
I mean, I'll sell it to you for the $5. Your family. Okay. Okay.
A bigger bass, but I'm okay with that because I want to catch a little tiny bass.
The mouth is huge. Then
How many views you got?
I don't know. Clean release though. Clean release. No.
okay. That's the smallest one. Bro, the worm is bigger. Is the worm bigger?
Bro, even the hook is bigger.
Go to the camera.
No, I'm gonna hold it by the
The
hook.
whole hook is bigger than him. Look, compare the hook.
We need to see this.
Bro, the hook is bigger than the whole fish.
Hold up.
Microfishing. We challenge y'all backwards now. Catch a smaller fish.
We challenge y'all to the. Look at that,
Go
bro.
down a little bit more.
Go down, Bubba's. Go down.
Like, get a little bit closer.
A little bit closer. Now show the hook.
Not a beautiful bass.
I'm gonna put another worm on here.
I was gonna let it go. Look at that bass. I caught the biggest bass ever.
I got one.
Let's go, Lapita. Let's go, Lapita. Oh, there you go.
Okay.
That's a nice one.
That's an orange
We're
one.
going for the little fish.
Show it to the chat.
Oh, show it.
Tell me, do I go up or down?
Right there, you're fine. Perfect. 2 thumbs up.
We're not gonna be able to catch the little tiny.
Oh my
What
goodness!
is that?
Look at that, bro. What?
He's catching the little one.
No,
You
I
said
can't
a
even
big
get the bluegill. Tiniest bass ever.
That's crazy.
Bro, they're so fast. Our bait was going away. Probably is. That. Wait, remember that one time you saw?